Okay, Ms. Stewart?
Ms., I kept the father's last name for our son.
Oh, okay. You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
He has been paying child support, but the dues that are going to come up with school are going to be more.
If she decides that he's going to go to a private school, my child support is going to be raised.
Okay, Ms. Stewart?
Ms., I kept the father's last name for our son.
Oh, okay. You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
We were married, got a divorce a couple of years back. The last 6 years of our son's life, our son's 6, have been not easy, but between us, we're pretty amicable. We get along, and a lot of decisions we make together for our son. We're coming into this new decision here soon of what our son's going to go into for school and different programs.
Miss Stewart stuns the courtroom, says. She kept her ex-husband's name for their son years divorced now, back before the judge Comco. Parenting crumbles fast, tension rises one costly demand, pushes it too far. What does she want, why now? The airshift size narrow, pressure builds the next move.
He has been paying child support, but the dues that are going to come up with school are going to be more.
Okay.
And I wanted to try and get more child support, hopefully to split the difference in the cost of that.
Okay, how much is he paying you right now in child support?
$430.
Okay. And what is it that you're asking in terms of the split?
Our son's dues are going to be $1,100 for the new school.
What school is this?
It's a private school, but he's a brilliant boy.
He nods, admits it. He trusts her choice. Rare calm in the storm unity at last, but it won't last. Tuition sky high, pressure rising. He agrees now, but deep down doubt lingers. Can he really handle the cost? Or is he setting up for disaster? The next twist hits hard. Nothing will be the same.
We've done a great job raising him, so to put him into a school that really fits his personality and his education level, I think we agree is important for him. So.
Okay. And what do you have to say about this?
Well, I kind of let her make those decisions.
In terms of the school, you're okay with the school?
In terms of the school, I'm okay. I trust her. It's actually, splitting it is going to be more on the front end.
Claims it's simple. Just 3 more months. A small bridge, not a mountain, but he pushes back. Says tuition will save him money, a smarter deal. In his eyes, she pleads with the judge. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave our son stranded. Is this justice?
At $550 will actually be less child support for me in the next year. So I'm not sure. That's what she wanted to do, so I'm saying okay.
Okay. So you guys agree that you would split the $1,100? Is that what I'm understanding?
We agreed that we would split the schooling, but the trouble that we're coming into here is just the length of time. I don't want to go 3 months without having any child support, if that's what he's bringing to case.
Or he agrees to split tuition, but demands support. Ends today, she begs for just 3 more months, $430. A month, not forever, just time, but the judge cuts through their bargain with one sharp twist. A legal curveball. No one expected this battle.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, if we're talking about splitting the tuition, then we're splitting $1,100 in 9 months. That's less money for the year than if I just continued to pay child support to her. I'm okay with it, so if that's her decision.
What we're disagreeing with is just the length of time. I want to at least receive the $430 for the remaining 3 months, if that's what decided. I'm not sure how that works in terms of the court, but
Yeah, unfortunately, it wouldn't work like that. We wouldn't be able to do it like that, because then we would be sending a withholding order to your employer for 9 months, and then at the 3rd month have to...
You can't just pause child support. The judge shuts it. Down cold. Legal systems don't bend for convenience. Payroll won't catch up in time. Your child still eats, still grows, still needs. But then she drops the real bombshell.
Hope that it reaches them in time enough for the 3 months for it to go down. So it doesn't really work like that. So it either has to be something you guys agree on in terms of what it is, like the amount, the $550, and it would have to continue one for the full year. I mean, you think about it like this. Those 3 months, there are going to be things that your son will probably need while he's with mom that she will be able to get.
Yeah.
definitely daycare. I mean, that's still...
I understand she has expenses, but so basically, if she decides that he's going to go to a private school, my child support is going to be raised 12 months a year, even though that's a 9-month decision.
The judge pulls out his W-2. The air shifts, tension sharp, thick 60. 2,500 a year steady income, but can he really carry this plan? She does the math. Eyes narrow, breath held. She prepares to rewrite the whole order. Then she drops.
Yeah, because it has to extend through the entire year. Otherwise, based on your tax returns, I can base your child support off of what it should actually be.
No, I think we're okay.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, because
What would that look like?
well, if we did it based off of your tax returns, again, and your W-2, you make $62,500 a year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so health insurance, who carries health insurance?
We split it.
Okay, good. You guys, double insurance.
Both have insurance for the boy. A rare win in court, a glimmer of balance. The judge adjusts only $60, barely a scratch on his gross income. Every figure weighed, every cent counted. She's not finished yet. The next round of numbers brings the blow. The real bombshell, his new child support payment.
Sure, that's very good. That's very good. So if we did your gross, how much do you pay in health insurance for the child?
I pay, mine is like $60.
$60?
$60 a month is all on.
Okay. So giving you credit for the $60, that'll bring your gross down. Let me see. Minus the $60, that will bring your gross to about, let's say, $5,100, net at $4,156.64. How many children do you have?
I have 2 other children.
That are under the age of 18?
Yes.
Okay. So that would be
Income, his deductions, his other children. It all adds up to one thing, $665 in child support. He pauses, considers, then agrees to $550, a brief sigh of relief. But peace is short-lived because now she brings up something personal.
16%. Yeah, your child support would be about $665.
Yeah, I think I'm okay with that. I'm okay with the
$550?
The $550.
I think the $550 is good too. I think it's good too. And I mean, you guys will be splitting the tuition, essentially.
Since your insurance is better than mine, just because of your occupation, is there something, I mean, I am all about protecting our son on both sides, but if he was to have full insurance over our son, is that something that we address here, or is that...
She questions if his job gives better coverage. Should she cancel hers? The judge stays neutral, says it's their call. But in that moment, something shifts to parents on opposite sides, still thinking of their child, not war, maybe, just maybe. Peace is possible, but one final decision.
That's something that we address outside of court.
Oh no, you can do it on your own, independently. You can go ahead and actually drop your insurance if you would like, because he at least is still covered under dad's insurance, and there will be nothing wrong with that. Okay?
So we'll discuss that after. Okay.
Okay. Is that all? You guys have anything else?
I guess, when does it take effect?
It'll take effect the 1st of each month. So
if today's the 3rd, then it doesn't take effect until the 1st of next
until
month.
the 1st of next month, yeah. Okay?
Calm voices, steady tone. It's final, the new order. Starts 1st of next month. Months of stress now boiled down to numbers and agreement, no more arguing. Just a plan, a path forward. It wasn't simple, but the child stays first. If you believe in fairness, truth, and firm parenting, hit like, drop your thoughts, and subscribe to Verdict Central.